In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to copy a one-sided document into two-sided on the HP SmartTank 7600 printer series. So let's place the document onto the document feeder. Remember to use the paper guides. So from the control panel, select Copy. Go to Options. Under Sides, select one-sided to two-sided. Let's go back and copy. So this is the copied document from one-sided to two-sided. Page 1 to page 4. So this is how you copy a one-sided document to two-sided on your HP SmartTank 7600 printer series.